Have you ever questioned the nature of your reality? What if you could control the script of your dreams? Would you dare? Welcome to the fascinating world of lucid dreaming, where the lines between dreams and reality blur, giving you the power to shape your own narrative. Picture this: you're going about your day when you pause to do a reality check. It's a habit you've cultivated, a small ritual to ground yourself. But this time something's different. Your hand morphs into something alien-like, a sure sign you're dreaming, and then it hits you like a light bulb flickering on. You're lucid dreaming. Now let's delve into some common questions about this intriguing phenomenon. Is lucid dreaming safe? Absolutely. It's as natural and safe as regular dreaming, often providing a thrilling and positive experience. Can anyone learn to lucid dream? With practice and patience, virtually anyone can acquire this skill. How long does it take to have your first lucid dream? It varies. For some, it might be a few weeks, for others, several months. Consistency, reality checks, and dream journals can speed up the process. Are there any potential drawbacks to lucid dreaming? While generally safe, some people might experience temporary sleep disturbances or disorientation after a lucid dream. But with practice, these effects can be minimized. Can lucid dreaming help with personal growth or problem solving? Indeed, it can. Lucid dreaming provides a unique space for exploring your subconscious and finding solutions to real-life challenges. Armed with this knowledge, the vast expanse of your subconscious awaits your exploration. Whether you choose to fly through the skies, unravel the mysteries of your inner self, or just have some nighttime fun, lucid dreaming offers an infinite playground of possibilities. So seize your dream journal, set your reality checks, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime, all within the confines of your mind. As we conclude this journey into the realm of lucid dreaming, it's evident that this nighttime escapade holds immense potential for those daring enough to embark on it. From realizing your dreaming to the awe-inspiring experiences that follow, lucid dreaming is a gateway to self-discovery, creativity, and pure, unadulterated escapism. In your pursuit of becoming a skilled lucid dreamer, remember, patience and persistence are your best friends. Like any skill, mastering lucid dreaming takes time, so keep at it, and soon you'll be unlocking the limitless potential of your dreams.